M. Sheshaya Sir, outstanding scientist, station director, MAPS. He is a graduate in electronics and communication engineering with distinction in the year 1990 from Andhra University, Andhra Pradesh. He joined the nuclear power plant NPCIL in the year 1990. He has an experience of 34 years in NPCIL. He is an outstanding scientist, and it is our distinct honor to invite Shri M. Sheshaya, Site Director, MAPS and Chairman of the Steering Committee of this DAE Sports Meet, onto the lectern for the keynote special welcome address.
Ellarku vanakkam. Very good evening to all. Sabhi ko namaskar. A warm welcome to inaugural function of 40th annual DAE Kabaddi meet at Kalapakkam. Today's chief guest, Honorable Director IG Corp, Sri Kumar G. Pillai, respected Project Director, IVNS Kamaraju, BRC, all the directors from Bhavani, IG Corp, Group Directors, Associate Directors, President NESCO, Mr. Rajan, Vice President NESCO, Mr. Panindra, General Secretary NESCO, Mr. Ashkar Ali, conveners of various committees for the tournament, our esteemed referees for the tournament from the Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports Tamil Nadu, senior officers, all the participants, volunteers, township residents, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be among you on this occasion. Hope all your journey and stay comfortable at Kalapakkam. I, as a chairman of steering committee, welcome you all for the inaugural function of 48th annual DAE Kabaddi tournament at Kalapakkam. It is an honor to host Kabaddi event at Kalapakkam, and we are thankful to the DAE Sports and Cultural Council for selecting the venue of Kalapakkam for the Kabaddi event. The Kabaddi game, as you all know, that originated in India and India 1923. The basic rules of sports were first published in the same place. The interesting game started to draw international attention in 1936 at the Olympic Games in Berlin, where it was demonstrated by the sports organization from Amaravati. The name Kabaddi comes from the Tamil Nadu words Kai and Pidi, meaning hand holding or hand coach. It essentially refers to the ring that players from each one side by holding their hands while an opposition player is in their circle, trying to touch as many players as possible and get back to their side. Pardeep Narwal is an international Kabaddi player who plays as a rider, widely regarded as the greatest rider in Kabaddi history. Pardeep Narwal is widely considered greatest Kabaddi rider ever due to the holding the most right points in Pro Kabaddi League history, over 1800 points, and leading his team to the 3 championships. Games are usually played outdoors during the day. As a result, weather conditions wield a considerable influence on players. We are all DAE officials, employees, apart from our daily office works, take some time out to play sports, and some of the players have taken as a profession. The players needs to be physically and mentally fit to exhibit higher order of display while playing in the competition. I hope all the participants are in good health and a fresh mind, representing various units of DAE are here to take the challenge of the tournament. Sports have to be the essential part of the individual's life. A good game in both healthy and refreshing. All-round development of personality is incomplete without sports. Most importantly, sports bring with it the most vital sportsmanship. Without sports, there cannot be any sportsman spirit. This sportsman spirit will not only help you on the field, but also in other aspects of your life. You will cherish whatever you learn on the sports field for your entire life. Sports events such as These are meant to showcase the collective talent of these employees rather than only recognizing winners. The winner exists because someone dared to stand up and lose. For a light height, there has to be a depth. I think the thrill of the life is in holding the both. Whether you have won a medal or not, you are all winners. In a long run, your active and continued participation in sports and athletics would pay you rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being, and happiness. Sports, particularly team sports, produce purposeful and meaningful social relationships. Human is a human social element. We have to need a social connect with others. The social interactions with our friends and workmates provide you highly desirable security, belongingness, and ultimately happiness. Therefore, winning and losing in sports and athletics is not at all important, but the happiness originating from the participation in sports is highly cherished trophy. Sports competitions inspire the participants and spectators both. They build physical stamina and teach us to take victories and defeats in our stride. Very important lessons of life are woven into these fights. A loser provides a winner a scale to measure his or her success. The challenge for performance, the joy for the effort and success, the spirit of friendship and fair play in sports arena indicates how culture, ethics, dignity and society get themselves connect with each other during such sports events. Let us play with sincerity, competitiveness, self-discipline and play for our respective DA units with an eye for win, but never get disheartened for a lost match. Let us play with full vigor and enthusiasm so that we remember this inter-DA Kabaddi tournament at Kalpakam even after they are over. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
आपके उत्साहवर्धक भाषण से निश्चय ही हमारे खिलाड़ियों में नई जोश व नया उमंग आएगा। अनुशासन, पदबद्ध पद चालना एकात्मकता की शान है, दल शक्ति का उद्घोष है, यह मार्च पास्ट महान है। सभी दलों के कप्तान से अनुरोध है कि अब वे खेल भावना, अनुशासन एवं एकता का प्रतीक टीमों के खिलाड़ी मार्च पास्ट के लिए तैयार हो। और मार्च पास्ट के साथ आगे बढ़ती हुई अजंता टीम संयम, साहस, संघबद्धता चरणों में प्रतिध्वनि, दल दल की पदयात्रा में खेल धर्म की वाणी के साथ बढ़ती हुई द्वितीय दल द्वारका अनुशासन बलम एकता विजय मूलम। द्वारका टीम आगे बढ़ती हुई। तृतीय अलोरा संघ शक्ति ही यु कलियुगे खेले च विजय पद्रा। एलोरा की टीम आगे बढ़ती हुई। तत्पश्चात गोलकुंडा एकता, अनुशासन, पराक्रम यही खेल धर्म है। इनके साथ सम्मिलित होंगी कोणार्क टीम। कोणार्क संगठित प्रयास की ताकत, टीम का एक एक खिलाड़ी जीत की कहानी का हिस्सा है। नागार्जुना खेल का अद्वितीय रोमांच, कबड्डी का रोमांच दर्शकों को हमेशा दूर दूर तक याद रहता है। यह खेल है जो जीवन बदल दे। उसके बाद पुष्कर की टीम, खेल जो जीवन बदल दे। कबड्डी सिखाता है कि हार भी सफलता का एक हिस्सा है। रामेश्वरम नया इतिहास लिखे। कबड्डी में हर खिलाड़ी का लक्ष्य नया इतिहास बनाना होता है, तो रामेश्वरम टीम के सभी खिलाड़ी इसी उत्साह के साथ मार्च पास्ट में हिस्सा लेते हुए जो खिलाड़ी डर को हरा सकता है वही कबड्डी जीत सकता है। जो खिलाड़ी डर को हरा सकता है वही कबड्डी जीत सकता है। कबड्डी खेल है हौसलों का, कबड्डी खेल है साहस का, कबड्डी खेल है हिम्मत का। दृढ़ संकल्प की कहानी है कबड्डी। जो खिलाड़ी थकान को मात दे वही असली विजेता है। हार और जीत खेल के दो पहलू हैं, लेकिन सही खिलाड़ी वही है जो हर थकान से उबर कर, जो खिलाड़ी थकान को मात दे वही असली खिलाड़ी है। रणनीति और धैर्य कबड्डी टीम का हिस्सा है। कबड्डी में ताकत से ज्यादा दिमाग की जरूरत होती है। विरोधी टीम के खिलाड़ियों के दिल और दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए जो रेडर है वह अपनी रेड कंप्लीट करता है। हौसले की पहचान है कबड्डी। जहां हिम्मत खत्म होती है वहां कबड्डी की शुरुआत होती है। युवा पीढ़ी के लिए प्रेरणा है कबड्डी। कबड्डी हर युवा के अंदर छुपी ताकत को बाहर लाता है। यह खेल है धैर्य, हिम्मत, हौसला, साहस, एकता का प्रतीक। धैर्य और संयम का खेल है कबड्डी। कबड्डी सिखाता है कि जीतने के लिए धैर्य, संयम और अनुशासन अति आवश्यक है। खेल और जुनून का मेल है कबड्डी। कबड्डी का हर पल एक नया अनुभव लेकर आता है। दोस्ती और भरोसा है कबड्डी। कबड्डी में टीम एक परिवार है और परिवार की तरह काम करता है, तभी जीत का स्वाद ये चखते हैं। एकता का प्रतीक है कबड्डी, एकता की शान है कबड्डी।
1993. At present, he is the project director of FRFCF and leading his team for completion of the construction activities here. Sir, I request you, please.
Good evening, everybody. It is my pleasure to be here with you all on this occasion of inaugural function of 40th annual DAE Meet Kabaddi Tournament. All of you are aware, our department encourages sports and games by conducting inter-DAE meets regularly at different venues. Kalpakkam Games Promotion Council conducts DAE sports and cultural meets regularly under the guidelines of DAE Sports Council with the help of NESCO and also Foster Rameswaram team. This year, it was the chance of our KGPC to conduct Kabaddi tournament here. I was a little surprised to learn about that Kabaddi is also there in our list of games, as it seems to be a little special one and looks like a mixture of wrestling and rugby. In fact, this Kabaddi's thrilling gameplay and cultural significance made it a beloved sport that continues to inspire people worldwide, and Pro Kabaddi League further boosted its popularity. I am happy to note that we have eight participant teams with players of different age groups from various units of DIE ready to exhibit their best spirit of competition and zeal. Every player here has trained hard, and this is the time to put the practice into action. This tournament is a chance for all of you to display your skills, challenge yourselves, and learn from each other. As already is told by somebody, sports, particularly team sports, engender purposeful and meaningful social relationship. These social interactions with old friends during this type of tournaments provide you belongingness and happiness. I am sure that each one of you leave this tournament with the satisfaction that you have played the game well and carry back a feeling of warmth, affection and friendship so abundantly shared during this meet here. My sincere compliments to the members of organizing committee, volunteers, umpires for taking this responsibility of conducting this tournament here. All teams, my request, play well with your heart and no matter what the scoreboard says, you are all champions. I wish the players all the very best for their success. I am sure that spectators will have very good entertainment day in, day out till the end of this game. I want to mention a quote here. Gold medals are not really made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination and a heart to find alike called guts. With this, I'll conclude and thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. As sir said, hope to see a display of strength, talent, and the guts. Now, we have to call upon our chief guest, Sri Kumar G. Pillai, is a B.Tech Chemical Engineering graduate from Calicut University. He joined BARC Mumbai in 1990 and had served in various roles for 35 years. Last month, sir took charge in Kalpakkam. He is presently an outstanding scientist, director, IGCAR and JSO. Sir, thank you, sir.
Good evening to you all. Distinguished guests, Site Director Sri Seshaya, Sri Kamaraju, Project Director FRFCF, Sri Rajan, and all the dignitaries present here. Now, the players who are the most important in today's function, and all the students and children of various schools who are participating here. Now, today we are standing in the soil of Tamil Nadu, which is the origin of Kabaddi. This has been pointed out by Sri Rajan. It's almost a 4,000-year-old ancient bravery game, which was seen like a culture of this region, which now has seen in places like internationally also. Now, if you look at Kabaddi, as he was telling, Kaipidi, it is a hand-holding of the hand-holding, and once it is hands are held, it is a strength and you will not be able to break. That is the essence of what Kaipidi says. Now, to the players, I would say you need to play fair, play with all efforts, and ultimately it is a discipline on the match which will matter and which will take us to the sportsman spirit. Now, I also request all the players to respect the referees who will maintain the rule of the game, and with this I hope that all the players, referees and all the participants, other than all the family members who have come along with the children and the participants, have a nice time at Kalpakkam. Enjoy the Kabaddi as well as enjoy the atmosphere of Kalpakkam. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope they enjoy their stay here. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to the next part of our program, we want to acknowledge the invaluable presence of our esteemed chief guest, Sri Kumar G. Pillai. Your insights and presence have truly inspired us all today. So for presenting the memento, I request our station director, MAPS, Sri M. Sheshaya sir, to present the memento to sir. Again, to express our deep appreciation and heartfelt gratitude to our guest of honor, Shri IVNS Kamaraju, I request Shri M. Sheshaya sir to present sir with a memento. Mementos are a way to express our sincerest gratitude for the time taken out for gracing the occasion, as well as to remind you of our profound respect. Thank you, sir, to both of you. Thank you, sir. Moving on, it's now time to meet the team members. So for this, I would like to request Shri M.V. Fanendra Kumar, Vice President, Kalpakam Games Promotion Council, to take it forward from here. See chairs in front of the stage. There will be some cultural programs after this.
रामेश्वरम अपना परिचय